Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. That's right. Today's lesson, I have a very fun thing to share with you. Something that I love and enjoy doing is baking and cooking. I'm going to actually show how to do 3 easy steps, one of my cute little cartoon carrot cakes. So if you have your supersized pencil and supersized paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Was a delicious lesson for me to share with you, and I'm getting hungry for a carrot cake. I don't know about you, but what I'd like you to take home on this lesson is how you can use your creativity once again and take your favorite cake or pie. Is it maybe an ice cream cake, or is it a pumpkin pie, or is it a chocolate cake with a lot of frosting and stuff, fun stuff all around it? Whatever it is, use your imagination. Maybe look online or take it from a recipe book and make your little cartoon from there. All right, if you subscribe to my YouTube channels, I want to say thanks, bud. And if you haven't yet, please do. As always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.